Hi everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, Lady. Today's video is going to be a Sunday reset, a very autumnal themed Sunday reset. I hope you enjoy and subscribe if you'd like to see more. So a classic Sunday reset activity was grocery shopping for me this morning. It was fun to see all the different seasonal items and fall florals, and inspired me to get a couple of fall themed items to add to my meal routines for the week. I also did quite a lot of cleaning this weekend. I like to start my cleaning in like a Friday reset, but of course some tasks continue on to Sunday. One example of this is that I washed my ruggable rugs so that they would be all fresh and clean. You can see Patches really enjoyed sitting on them while they were air drying. But it felt so nice to have that task completed on Sunday and have the whole room just feeling really fresh. I must have done like a million loads of laundry this weekend, but the cats really like it when there's warm laundry everywhere. A perfect Sunday for me also includes a bit of self-care, and for me today that was going on an afternoon walk just to really look at all of the leaves changing and really like soak up those like autumn moments. This season can be so fleeting, and so to be able to take some time just to wander around the neighborhood, see people putting up little like Halloween decor and pumpkins every like few houses, and just like taking that all in can be like a really meditative experience. And I stumbled upon this really cute black fluffy cat, which I thought was like the perfect spooky season omen. Here's my leaf collection from that walk. I also like to take a chance to like get in touch with like my hobbies on a Sunday, whether that's reading a book or writing cards and little notes to people with some little like Halloween treats. Or spending some time in a fun new video game. I've been playing Rekka, which has been so great for autumn spooky vibes. The cleaning wasn't quite over with this Sunday. Like I said, I did so much laundry, so I wanted my bedroom to feel really like cozy and refreshed. So I like dusted my nightstand and made sure that the drawers were organized. Like I said, my cats love laundry, so they had to join me when I was making the bed. The tree outside my window is still pretty green, but every year it does turn very fall colored, so I'm excited to see that happen in the next probably few days. It's the best feeling to go like snuggle up in your sheets when they're like fresh and clean. I just can't wait. Another self-care activity I like to do on Sundays is some type of like beauty routine, whether that's painting my nails, doing a hair mask or a face mask. I usually can't do everything all in one Sunday, so today I did a face mask. I was trying the Fenty Skin Cherry Mask. It smells so good, like a cherry Jolly Rancher, and the texture was so interesting. So it's like a brightening AHA mask, and it was a really cool jelly texture that was really, yeah, like look at that. It's like also kind of like wiggly jiggly. I feel like in the colder months, I can sometimes need more hydration, but really I just want like more brightening. I feel like I can look so tired, so anything that like really like brightens the skin and makes me seem a little more awake is something that I really gravitate towards. I had to go full fall themed for today, and what's more like fall than brown butter sage and like squash. This was so good. And as I was like winding down the evening, I made a cup of apple tea. I'm telling you, I went all out on the fall activities. Enjoyed my really nice, clean living room and space. Put on my spooky pajamas and put on the classic Practical Magic. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. A very fall version. Like if you liked the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.